Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Jonathan Magda, and I'm a part of Senior Referral Academy, created by Matt Stafford. In this academy, Matt explains everything from point A to point B. He literally holds your hand, answers any questions, and the beauty of it is you have direct contact with Matt. Unlike any other course or academy or whatever I've taken in the past, I've never had direct contact to the creator of it. They're always too busy or, they're doing something else. But Matt always has time for his students. And that's what I love about this. Because when I'm struggling or if I have a question or whatever, Matt's there to answer it. And it's really, really helpful because you're getting advice from the person who does this day in and day out, and they're very successful at it. And with that being said, I just want to thank Matt for everything. He's very helpful, very informative, and just from, like I said, from point A to point B, you cannot beat the price for this course. There's nothing like it. You can literally take the course, and after learning the whole thing within a week or so, you can apply it. You can take action right away. And you can literally make beyond six figures with this type of stuff. Like, this is no joke. But man, Matthew, you are really a godsend, and I appreciate everything. And I hope that if you're looking at buying this course, that you make the decision to purchase it, because I was skeptical at first too, but legit, it's crazy. And I can't thank Matt enough for everything that he's done. So I appreciate it, and thanks for watching.